Hi everybody, it's Diana with StampingWithDi.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And what usually is a mimeograph Monday with a twist, this week I'm not going to be doing that because I am up to my eyebrows in fall social prep. So instead it's going to be Mystery Monday. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of walk around, and hopefully I'm not showing stuff I shouldn't. But I'm just going to kind of walk around, show you a few things. And yeah, so you can just kind of see my crazy studio. I have showed it before, but it's like really bad right now because I have stacks of, stacked this class and events, so it's really bad. But I like to say it's organized chaos, if that's such a thing. All right, so what I'm going to do is flip the camera. Also, I've had a few people ask me how I set up my for my videos, and I'll take a picture of that because I'll actually be using my camera for the video because I use a webcam, so I can't walk around with the webcam because the cord's only so long. So yeah. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and we are in Santan Valley, Arizona. And I say we because Jeff has been helping me a little bit. So he will, like today he was cutting out bears and doing the cut and emboss. So he wants to go fishing. So he's going to go fishing Monday. And I said, I would rather you go fishing the beginning of the week, instead of the end of the week, because that's when I need to get the boxes out, and he helps me take stuff to the post office. So yeah, so let's just get on with the show, and so you can see what's going on. All right. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to do the video, and hopefully I'm not showing stuff I shouldn't. All right, so what I use for my videos is this right here. So it's an Archon stand, and you can tell, like, I'm just working today. There's no jewelry. I'm surprised I have makeup on. Usually I try to make myself look a little more presentable. All right, so it's just an Archon stand, and then I put my web camera on it. And so what I do is, like, I sit, here's my chair. So here's my chair, blah, blah, blah. I sit. I hope I don't make you seasick. All right, so then I just face it to me. So right now it's facing the chair. And then when I say, let me adjust my camera, and all I do is flip that down, and then I just spin it, and now it's going down to my hands. So I do a little bit of editing where, when I spin, just so you're not seasick. Okay, so here is just a bunch of mess, and I told you it's a mess. But, it is what it is. All right, so let's go for a little walk. So this is my desk area, and so that's kind of what you see, right? But like I said, I shouldn't even show this because I'm so embarrassed how messy it is, but you know what? It's true life. Okay, so then we walk over here, and this is cutting station, embossing, die cuts, my TV. I guess I should be pointing TV. This is my cutter. So what I have that I cut is, it's called a rota trim. So that's what I use, and it's a rail cutting system. So that's what I use. And then I have an old Carl cutter, which is that right there. It does not cut accurately anymore, so I just use it if I just have to cut a whole bunch of paper that does not have to be accurate, right? Like if I just have to cut a bunch of 3x3s to run through the cut and emboss, they don't have to be accurate, right? But I just want them small enough so they can all fit. And that's just, you know, cutting station, my, what is this? This is, it says bubble envelopes, but it's not bubble envelopes. I just haven't been able to get that out of there. So this is just all my dies, and then this is all the 6x6. So I have done a walkthrough of my studio before. All right, this is the cabinet that has 12x12 DSP, and then here is the file cabinet that has my 8.5x11. Okay, so, and I always thought, you know, I should do another video of the studio when I get it cleaned, and then there'll never be one. All right, so here's my hutch. You see this quite a bit. So there's my hutch. Jeff made those flag things, so I apologize. I'm like, let me close this. Close that cabinet. All right, so Jeff made these flag things. So I'm Canadian, he's American, and he made them out of pallet wood is what he did to the American one, and then I think he used alder wood for the whatever, the Canadian one. All right, so here's my hutch, like I said. Love it, love it, love it. And just a bunch of like little doodads on there. Jeff has been having fun. So actually, look at this fish that he made. So he made this fish. Oh, look, there's my scissors I was looking for. All right, so there's the fish. And look at it, wiggles. It's got like this plastic that goes through there, so it wiggles. It's amazing. And just some other stuff. He also made, look at this. This is called a dancing pig. So let me see if I can get back far enough. So it's the little piggy, and then it spins, and then he goes around and up and down, round and up and down. Isn't he cute? So that's the dancing pig. And then I just colored it, if you can believe it or not. I just colored it with the blends. Isn't that funny? Okay, so just more hutch stuff. I showed these the other day. This is, you know, the rings, because we're doing a cute project for fall social with the rings. All right, so let me just put my hand so you're not getting too seasick. All right, so hold on a second. All right, so here is another mess. So this is just boxes of fall social stuff, stamp sets and everything. And then Jeff built this table here. And then the little shoe boxes underneath, they're just different things in there, right? Extra ribbons and doodads, goodies and guts, you name it. And then I just put labels on the side so I know what's in there. And then the top just has my catalogs, my scale, things like that. All right. So again, let me put my hand there so I'm not making you seasick. All right, so let me come back a little bit. All right, so here is more mess. But he also built me this table. So this also has like a spring social stuff on it. So it just got like stack, and then that's what I work from, and then stack, and that's what I work from. And then, so let me walk with my hand. So when I get stuff done, it looks a little better. So here's the other side. So it looks a little better, right? So as I get things, you know, kind of done, they get put in the boxes in order for me to, whatchamacallit, in order for me to stuff them in the final envelope. But, and you can see some kits down there. Some of them are empty boxes. Those are super boxes to keep. But anyways, all right. And then over here, just more stuff. What a mess, what a mess. This is Winston's chair. So that's where he sits when he's in here. Right now he is in the house with a daddy. All right, so let me get over to here. This is this cabinet, and this is stamp sets and envelopes and you name it. All right, so let me close that up. All right, so let's go back over to my desk. Oh, and look what I did. So this is the box that my $1 million flowers came in, and then when I killed them, well, they were fresh cut, so they died. But so I just stuck that in as fake. And then Marcy, this is the little gnome she had made for me. And then there's just my little calendar. But so yeah, so that is here's the corner of my desk, the big boss. I don't know if it means I'm the big box or Jeff's the big box. But I love that picture of him when we were at the Grand Canyon. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go back to my desk. Okay, so now I'm back on my desk. Is that not the messiest studio you've ever seen in your life? And like I said, I'm embarrassed that I'm showing it, but at the same time, it's real life. I've got a lot of work to do, and it is what it is. Does it look like this all the time? No. But I have like 40 packets, 40 things to get ready, 40 of this, 40 of that. So, there's a lot of stuff going on. But anyways, all right. So I'm gonna say see you later. I will see you tomorrow. I don't know if it'll be a Teach Me Tuesday or if I will. We'll see, right? But I hate not to come. Maybe I'll come up with something. But I will see you tomorrow. I'll still call it Teach Me Tuesday. How's that? And maybe I'll teach you. I don't know what. Maybe it'll be something quick. But yeah, because I would totally miss you if I didn't come to you in a week. So anyways, so if you have any questions in regards to what you saw today, let me know, and hopefully there wasn't anything in the background that I didn't want to show. So that's always interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna stop blabbing, and so yeah, and I will talk to you tomorrow, 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same channel. Have a great night, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.